Welcome back to Father and Son Fix. In this episode, we're going to show you how to install chrome valve stem covers and caps. We got our tires back from being installed and we don't have our chrome stem caps again, so we're going to show you how to install them here. It's really simple. You get this pack and you've got 8 pieces, a stem cap and a stem cover for each wheel. Really easy to put this on as well. To get started, you're going to take off the existing valve stem cap. Then you're going to put on the stem cover, and you'll notice one end is rounded and the other end is flat. So you're going to want to put the rounded end facing out. Put that on till it's nice and snug. We won't need that old valve cap. Now we've got the new chrome valve cap. Tighten it on, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. We hope you have a great day.